In this video I'm giving you an honest review of PNC Bank, what it does right, where it falls short, and whether it's the right bank for you. PNC is one of the largest banks in the U.S., offering over 2,600 branches and access to more than 60,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. Its popular virtual wallet combines checking and savings accounts with built-in budgeting tools, mobile check deposit, account alerts, and free Zelle transfers. Many users appreciate the digital experience, as PNC's mobile app is well rated for ease of use and account management. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Overdraft fees are steep at around $36 per item, and while PNC limits this to once daily, it can still hurt if you slip up. Account terms and fees also vary by state, which can be confusing, and some accounts require higher balances to avoid maintenance charges. Customer service reviews are mixed. While some users find local branches helpful, others report slow issue resolution and delays with deposits or account holds. On the positive side, savings rates can be competitive in certain markets, though they differ widely depending on where you live. Overall, PNC Bank suits people who value in-person banking access, strong digital tools, and can manage balances carefully to avoid fees. But if you prefer lower costs and more predictable terms, an online bank or credit union might be better. If this review helped you decide, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward and unbiased financial reviews every week.